Oh, good morning, beautiful people. It is 6:30 in the morning, so I figured before it gets to be 115 gazillion degrees today, I'd come out and take you on with me on my morning chores. Good morning, ladies. Hello, hello, hello. Oh, we have chickies. Oh, hello, my beautiful girls. Oh, my goodness, I gotta do a head count. Make sure you're all okay. Okay. How am I gonna do this? We're gonna squat. Yep, that's gross. That's gross. One. Oh, that was nasty. Two. Yeah, I gotta take your yuckies away. What do you got for water? Oof. All right. So, watermelon, 40 girls for extra hydration because it's going to be 115 degrees today. That can go into the compost pile. Hold on, I need to pause you for a second. Okay, so we're gonna water some chickens because heat and chickens doesn't mix. You know, in the winter in New England, the chickens do really well, but in the summer, they're extremely susceptible to heat stroke. No. Hold this with this hand. Okay, I gotta shut this off or I'm not gonna lift it. Okay. So, 5 gallons of water outside. Yes, all 100 and... No, not even 100 pounds. What am I, 98? 98 pounds of meat. This is what I do every day. All right, girls, if you want your water, you need to move your ass out of my way. Whew. And they say little people can't do shit. Look at him. There's Zoe. Happy. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. Right, that's not flat. We're going to lose all our water here. All right. Outdoor water done. They're having a snack while they're distracted. Let's go check the coop. Did I bring my egg basket out? Oh crap, I didn't. Hang on. Must have the egg basket. Hi, Koki. Hi, kitty. Don't mind the house. Like I said, it's really early in the morning. And I have all day of 115 something degree temperatures to not be outside and clean my house. And Princess! And Koki! Alright, let's go get some eggs. Before they turn into fried eggs. They are the happiest chickens you will ever meet. I swear to God. Honey, are you stuck? Oh, cannoli. Hold on, guys. I've been followed. All right. Looking for eggs. 1 egg for me. 2 eggs for me. No eggs, no eggs, no eggs, no eggs. No eggs, no eggs, no eggs, no eggs. No eggs. All right, as hot as it is, girls, if you don't want to lay eggs, I don't blame you. What do you got? Dude, they're not fertilized. They're not fertilized, and you need to go and get some fresh air. Alright, we got eggs. They got food in here. They got water in here. Fan's going, making a nice breeze. That's lovely. Alright. Chickens. Check. Alright. I need a bucket. I need a bucket. Alright, I got a bucket. So we do all this, but the chickens are having a lovely snack. Because then it's a little easier. Bucket will make sense in a minute, I swear. And I don't have a lot of time to do this because I have not been out here long and it's already getting hotter. Alright, bucket number 2. Oh shit. Alright, I'm gonna have to pause you for